Hello students, teachers, parents, history nerds. Hello everybody, and welcome to Nutshelled History, where we lay out the facts, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Today, we are going to continue our Ancient Civilizations series by looking at civilizations of Middle America. Don't forget that there's a link for a fill-in-the-blank worksheet in the description. I just ask that you like and subscribe. I apologize for any mispronunciations ahead of time. I do my best. Okay, let's go. People first came to the Americas from Asia between 60,000 BC and 18,000 BC. They may have walked across a land bridge or come by boat. In Mesoamerica, a cultural region including Mexico and Central America, people grew maize and other crops. They raised animals and settled into villages by about 1500 BC. As populations grew, some of the villages developed into the early great cities of the Americas. The earliest American civilization, that of the Olmec, developed along the Gulf Coast of Mexico. That civilization lasted from about 1500 BC to 400 BC. A class of priests and nobles led it. Later Mesoamerican peoples, including the Maya and Aztec, adopted elements of Olmec culture, such as carved stone, hieroglyphs, and the calendar. Around 300 BC, the Maya were building large cities in present-day Guatemala. By the time the Maya Golden Age began, about AD 250, Maya civilization included large, independent city-states throughout southern Mexico and Central America. The Maya were not united politically as an empire. Instead, cities maintained contact through trade and sometimes warfare. Maya cities included temples, palaces, and stela, which were tall stone monuments decorated with carvings. Scribes carved each stela with historical information, such as the names of rulers and dates. They also wrote about astronomy and religion in books made of bark paper. However, around AD 900, the Maya abandoned most of their cities, possibly because of frequent warfare or over-farming. The Aztec founded Tenochtitlan, their capital city, in AD 1325. Because it was located on an island in a lake, they found ingenious ways to create more farmland. They built chinampas, which were artificial islands made from mud and reeds. Unlike the Maya, the Aztec built an empire. They also fought wars continuously. War brought wealth and power. As their empire grew, the Aztec used tribute, or payment from conquered peoples, to make Tenochtitlan magnificent. They also sacrificed war prisoners to the sun god. Among the gods they worshipped were powerful gods from an earlier culture centered at the city of Teotihuacan. Although the city fell, its culture influenced later peoples of Mesoamerica. And now to recap, picture this. Thousands of years ago, a group of intrepid adventurers crossed from Asia to the Americas, either on foot across a land bridge or by boat, proving they were the original overlanders and sailors before it was cool. Fast forward to Mesoamerica, where people started farming maize, raising animals, and settling into villages by 1500 BC. These villages eventually grew into impressive cities, thanks to the Olmec, the first civilization to master the fine art of carving giant heads and inventing hieroglyphs. The Maya then took the stage, building massive city-states, trading, waging wars, and writing on bark paper books, only to mysteriously abandon most of their cities by AD 900, probably due to a mix of bad harvests and too much drama. Enter the Aztecs in AD 1325, who built their island capital, Tenochtitlan, and turned it into a powerhouse fueled by tribute, war, and a side hustle in human sacrifices. Despite their penchant for conquest, they borrowed cultural gems from earlier civilizations, proving that even empires need a little inspiration. There you have it, folks. That is civilizations in Middle America nutshelled. Thanks for stopping by Nutshelled History. Don't forget to go nuts on the like and subscribe buttons for me. And I'll see y'all next time on Nutshelled History.